To manage Apple Pay on iPhone, start by opening the Wallet app, which is where you can view, add, and remove payment cards, as well as manage your Apple Pay settings. First, ensure that Apple Pay is set up on your device. If you have not already added a card, tap the plus sign in the top right corner of the Wallet app to begin the process. You will be prompted to take a photo of your card or enter the card details manually. Verify the card with your bank and agree to the terms and conditions. Once a card is added, you can view the card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. You can also remove a card from Apple Pay by swiping left on the card and tapping delete. To make a purchase with Apple Pay, hold your iPhone near the contactless reader with your finger on the home button for Touch ID or double-click the side button for Face ID. You will see a confirmation of the payment on the screen, along with the amount and the merchant name. You can also use Apple Pay in apps and on websites. When checking out, look for the Apple Pay button and tap it to complete the purchase. You will be asked to authenticate the transaction with Touch ID. Face ID, or your passcode. In addition to managing your cards, you can also manage your transaction history in the Wallet app. Tap on a card to view recent transactions, including the date, amount, and merchant name. You can also view your transaction history in the Settings app under Wallet and Apple Pay. To add an extra layer of security to your Apple Pay account, make sure to use a passcode, Touch ID, or Face ID to lock your iPhone. You should also keep your iPhone and card information up to date to prevent any issues with Apple Pay. Best practices for managing Apple Pay on iPhone include regularly reviewing your transaction history to detect any suspicious activity, keeping your iPhone software and Wallet app up to date, and being cautious when using public Wi-Fi or unsecured networks to make purchases. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively manage Apple Pay on your iPhone and take advantage of the convenience and security it offers.